Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to make the football game part 2. In part 1 of the football game development video, we have seen how to make the background and the football court for the game. In this video, we are going to learn how to make the players, the ball and the mechanism of the game. If you have not watched the part 1 of the football game development video, then please watch it to get better understanding. Now, I will be showing you the output of the part 2 code. Now, as you can see here, I made one player pedal, one computer pedal, two goal posts, and one ball. And also, you can see one more thing that I'm controlling the player pedal's X position using my mouse's X position. And whenever I hit the space button, the ball gets released, and the main aim is to stop the ball from hitting your goalpost. If it ever hits the goalpost, then it gets respawned in the center and it stops. Again, you can release the ball by pressing space button. So this is the code which we are going to build today. First, create 5 sprites. If you do not know what is a sprite or how to create a sprite, you can refer to my video on what are sprites. Now, in all these 5 sprites, 2 of the sprites are used for the paddles, the other 2 are used for goal posts, and the last sprite is used for the ball. After this, go to function draw. Now, in function draw, create a variable to store the edge sprites value. I have explained how to make edge sprites and what are edge sprites in the video what are sprites. After this, you need to go and write a command called computer.h equal ball.h. This command basically says that whenever ball.h changes, then set computer.h to ball.h. That is the only reason why we are able to see that the computer moves according to the ball, no matter where it goes. As you can see here, while it changes its position, the computer's its position changes it. See, again, it matches the its position of the ball. So this is it. After this, you need to write another command which means player.h equal world.mousex. This command refers that set player's h value to mouse h value. So that is why you are able to control the player pedal with your mouse. See, no matter how down or how up I move the mouse, it doesn't come with the mouse down or up. But when I move it from right to left or left to right, it follows my mouse. This is because I only set it to follow my x axis and not my y axis. If I say it to even follow my y axis, then it would directly come anywhere where my mouse is pointed, and it can directly come to the other code. So we do not want that to happen, so we are only going to give its value to mouse. After this, you need to call an if condition, and in the if condition you need to give a condition that says key down space. This condition says that if you press the space key, then ball dot set velocity 3, 3. The set velocity command is used to set velocity to a sprite. If you do not know what is velocity, then you can refer to my video on what are sprites. After this, you need to call five functions which are ball.bones of player, ball.bones of computer, ball.bones of edges, player.bones edges, and computer.bones edges. So the first three commands are used to make the ball bounce off and keep it in the canvas. So if we do not make the ball bounce off when it hits the player pedal or computer pedal, then it would directly go through them and hit the goal. And we do not want that to happen. So we are going to make the ball bounce off when it comes in contact with player pedal or computer pedal. And we are making it bounce off when it comes with contact to edges, because if it doesn't bounce off, it will directly fly out of the canvas and never come back. And we do not want that to happen. Then the last two codes, which say player.bounce edges and computer.bounce edges, are used to keep the player pedal and the computer pedal inside the canvas. So whenever you see the player is being blocked by the edges from coming out, if I just comment this command over and run, see the player's half body is out of the canvas because of the mouse's movement. So to avoid that, we are using this command. Same for the computer. If we comment this command, then the computer would half go out because of the ball touching the edge. So to avoid that, we are going to use this command. After this, you need to call in another if condition, and in this if condition, you need to give a condition ball is touching player goal, or this symbol means or, which means if either this condition is true or even if this condition is true, no matter which condition is true, do these things. If both are not true, then do not go into this if condition. So the first condition in the or condition is ball dot is touching player goal, and the second one is ball dot is touching computer goal. The is touching command is used for checking if a sprite is touching another sprite. Here we are using that condition to check if the ball is touching the goalposts. If the ball is touching any goalposts, either it may be player's goalpost or computer's goalpost, the ball should be set to center and its velocity should be set to 0. That is why we set its x value to 200 because it's the center x value, and y value to 200 because it's the center y value, and set its velocity back to 0. After this, these all blue color commands which are here are already explained in the part 1 of the football game video. And after this, we have this command called draw sprites, which is used to draw all the sprites which are initialized above. Without this commenter, there would be no sprites drawn, and it would not even show you an error. If you want to draw the sprites on the canvas, then you need to use the command draw sprites. And this is it. This is the code for part 2. Now you can play a basic game happily. You can even ask for scores. I'm going to talk about scoreboard and scores and animations in the part 3 of this video, where we are going to add scores, end games, start games, and also animations. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.